In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to El Salvador with Remitly. To get started, open your Remitly account. Make sure you're signed in and on the main screen so you can clearly see the available options. If you're using the app or website for the first time, take a moment to look around the dashboard, because most of the information you need will be right there. At the top of the screen, click the country selector and choose El Salvador. This step is important because it makes sure your transfer is set up for the correct destination. Remitly customizes transfer options depending on the receiving country, so selecting El Salvador first helps you see the right delivery and payment choices. Once El Salvador is selected, click Send Money. This will take you into the transfer setup process, where you'll begin entering the details for your transaction. Move through this section carefully so everything is accurate before you continue. Next, you'll choose the person you're sending money to. If their contact is already saved in your account, simply click on their name to use the existing details. This can save time and also reduce the chance of entering something incorrectly. If the person is not already saved, click New Contact and select their country. Be sure this information matches the recipient's location and details exactly as required by the platform. After that, enter the amount you want to send. As you do this, pay attention to the transfer summary on screen. In most cases, Remitly will show you the exchange rate, any fees, and the amount the recipient is expected to receive. This is a good time to double-check that the total works for your budget and that the recipient will receive the amount you intend. Now, select the delivery method. The options available may vary, so choose the one that best fits how your recipient wants to receive the money. After that, select your payment method. This is how you'll fund the transfer, so choose the option you prefer and verify that it's correct before moving on. Then click Continue. At this stage, you'll be asked to enter the recipient's account details if required for the delivery method you selected. Fill in those details carefully, since even a small mistake can delay the transfer. Finally, follow the prompts on your screen to review and complete the transaction. Before confirming, take one last look at all the information, including the recipient, amount, delivery method, and a payment method. Once everything looks correct, you can submit the transfer and wait for confirmation that your money is on its way.